Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the touchscreen board. Carefully remove the touchscreen board from the adhesive that secures it to the display panel assembly. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the display panel. Remove the display panel cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display panel assembly. Replacement. Insert the display panel cable into its connector on the display panel and replace the retention tape. Apply pressure to the length of the display panel cable to adhere it to the display panel assembly. Insert the display panel cable into the display panel cable ZIF connector on the touchscreen board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Carefully apply pressure to the touchscreen board to adhere it into position on the display panel assembly.